What if you had just $1 and the chance to turn it into 1,000? Would you take that shot? Because today, I'm doing it again. Another crazy challenge. I'm starting with a single dollar and I'm gonna try to multiply it to 1,000, just like before. Same strategy. Every trade goes all in, 1 minute expiration. No breaks, no second chances. And to keep it fast-paced, the video will be sped up so you can see every move without the boring wait. But this time, we're diving even deeper. I'm tackling a question every trader's thought about at some point. Can you actually trade on emotions and still come out on top? Is it even possible to win when your decisions are driven by adrenaline, excitement, or fear? Trust me, this is something every trader needs to hear. Now, let me tell you what's backing me up during this challenge. I'm using a trading bot that's honestly a game changer. It gives signals with around 75% accuracy, powered by advanced algorithms designed to help even complete beginners start earning. It's not just about the profits. It creates a learning environment where every trade teaches you something and brings in results. That's the kind of edge that turns curiosity into confidence. So buckle up, this is gonna be wild. Let's see if we can flip $1 into $1,000. Again. Let's be honest for a second, everyone who starts trading dreams of winning big. They imagine themselves hitting that perfect entry point, catching the wave, stacking wins day after day like it's second nature. And when people first hear about trading currency pairs online, it almost sounds too good to be true. You click a button, the chart moves, and boom, you made money. But here's where the reality check kicks in. The market doesn't care about your emotions. Not your excitement, not your fear, not your hope, and definitely not your frustration. But still, every trader has this moment when they ask themselves, can I trade based on what I feel? I mean, can I trust my gut and actually win? And the answer isn't as simple as yes or no. Because the truth is, emotions are part of the game whether you like it or not. You're not a robot. You feel things. You get nervous when your position is going the wrong way. You get greedy when you're winning. You hesitate when you're unsure. That's natural. The real question isn't whether emotions exist in trading, they do. The question is, can you let them guide your decisions without getting wrecked? Let's break this down in a real-world way. Say you're staring at the screen, watching a major currency pair dance around your ideal level. You've been watching it all day. You skipped lunch. You're locked in. Your heart starts racing because you feel like this is the moment. Everything in your gut says go. You enter, and the price moves in your favor. You're up. You feel like a genius. Then suddenly, it pulls back. It dips. Now you're second guessing. Should you get out? Should you hold on? You feel the tension in your chest. You start making decisions not based on analysis, but on what your emotions are screaming at you in that exact second. What if you could supercharge your trading, without spending a single cent? For a limited time, new users get 30 days of unrestricted access to our elite trading bot. No paywalls, no credit card, just pure, full access power to explore the same tools trusted by the pros, all at zero risk. And here's the real kicker. Whatever you fund your account with first, we'll double it. Throw in $400? Boom, you're instantly working with 800. No strings, no fine print. Just more capital in your hands from day one. The only catch? This deal's not sticking around forever. So if you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. You'll also unlock entry into our private trading group. Think live market calls, expert strategies, and insider-level insights, shared in real time by traders who walk the talk. And if you're wondering where to start, our support crew is ready to guide you through it all, from your first trade to your next breakthrough. Opportunities don't wait. Tap that link and step into your edge today. When you let emotions run the show, you start chasing wins and running from losses. You don't follow a plan, you react. And reaction is the killer of consistency. You take a few hits, and now every position you open comes with emotional baggage from the last one. You're not even trading the chart anymore. You're trading your trauma, your fear, your desperation to bounce back. That's where people spiral. They go from confident to reckless, from disciplined to impulsive, and that's how accounts get blown. But, and this is important, it doesn't mean emotions should be ignored. They're signals. They're data, your body telling you something isn't right or something feels off. The key is learning to recognize the emotion without obeying it blindly. It's like hearing the fire alarm go off. Not every sound means the building's burning down. Sometimes it's just a drill. You've got to step back, breathe, and assess. So when people ask, can I trade with emotions and win? I say this: every successful trader feels emotions. But they don't follow them. They don't enter because they're excited. They don't exit because they're scared. They stick to what they've trained for. They build a system, not just a technical one, but a mental one. They prepare for the pressure. They simulate the emotional highs and lows before real money's on the line. Because when the real game starts, you don't have time to second guess. You either know how to deal with the heat, or you get burned. Looking to level up your trading game and score some extra cash along the way? We're giving away $2,000, split evenly between 2 winners. That's $1,000 each, no strings attached. Getting in on it? Couldn't be easier. Watch this video, smash that subscribe button, drop a like, and leave a meaningful comment about your trading journey. Maybe it's a win you're proud of, a tough lesson that shaped your approach, or a strategy that's been delivering solid results. But here's the deal, we're not handing out prizes for lazy comments like "I want the money." We want real value, something helpful, personal, or insightful that could actually inspire someone else. And keep in mind, only your first comment counts, so make it count. Winners get picked at random each week, and we'll announce them over on our Telegram channel. Links in the description. It's a goldmine of daily insights, trade setups, and live discussions from experienced traders. So drop your story, keep it authentic, and I'll see you in the comments. Let's make it happen. So no, you can't trade on emotions and expect to win long term. But you also can't pretend to be emotionless. What you can do, and what every serious trader must do, is learn to trade through the emotion. Let it be there, but don't let it drive the car. Let it inform you, not control you. That's how you last in this game. That's how you stay sharp when everyone else is cracking under the weight of the pressure. You want to make it in this space? Learn to pause. Learn to reflect. Learn to walk away when your head's not right. Sometimes the best trade you'll make is the one you don't take. Sometimes the win isn't a profit, it's the discipline to stick to your rules. That's what separates the pros from the dreamers. That's what turns potential into results. So yeah, emotions are part of the journey. But if you want to be a trader who wins consistently, not just once, but again and again, you've got to be the calm in the storm. The market will always test you. Always. The question is, when it does, will you break, or will you rise? Appreciate you watching. Our trading bot's already in action, built to accelerate your moves and tighten your strategy. Try it out and see the difference for yourself. Keep your eyes on the charts and your momentum strong.